What up? It's Bob. I'm going to show you how to connect to a Minecraft server. First, we come to the main page. We click multiplayer. We come down to the bottom. We click add server. We add the server name based on what we want to call it. And then the person who's setting up your server will either give you a domain or an IP address. And you just plug that domain in here, domain test.ca. And sometimes you may have trouble connecting. So if you do, you can always try doing :25565, which is the port that Minecraft is hosted on by default. Your server provider will give you a port if it's anything other than that. They'll definitely mention that. Once you've added the site, you click done, and then you'll see here Minecraft server can't connect to server, but I do have Duck server up here, and that is what it would look like when it's pinged and you can see the server. So have fun playing Minecraft.